Hi guys, my name is Velichko Dinov from company WINAICO. We are producers of PV modules. I'm here invited by our friends from Electrofluxe in this roof of this beautiful house in the heart of Catalonia to speak about our product and our cooperation with Electrofluxe. What you see behind me, it's a full black panel. Looks very nice on residential roofs. It has 25 years warranty. This will be a very, very beautiful installation, what I see. It's very professional. The guys are doing a great job, so feel free to contact them or contact us for more information. You can be sure with us that you will get the best quality provided by the best installers. We have always happy customers and unhappy customers that don't work with us. But at the end, so you have to remember that this panel has to be outside in the rain, in the cold, in the sun for 25 years. So be very careful to choose the right installer that can provide you the right installation with the right modules.